Did you know that apps on your phone have special features that can change your phone's settings without your knowledge? And yeah, some apps use this quietly. Most people never notice it. Check this real quick, it takes 30 seconds. Don't skip this. This permission is on by default on most phones. Most people leave this on for years. It lets apps tweak stuff without asking, and it's buried deep in your phone. Here's how to lock it down. Open your main settings. Go to apps and open the full list. Tap the three dots in the top corner. Choose Special Access. Then open Change System Settings. Any app that doesn't absolutely need this, turn it off. Find Voice Recorder and switch it off. Do the same for camera. Boom, that's one layer of protection done. Took you less than a minute. You're just stopping background control. I turn this off on every new phone I get. Now this next one. This one is way more powerful. And this is where it gets a little uncomfortable. Go back to Settings. Tap the search icon and type Notification Access. Open it. Open it again. You'll see apps that can read your notifications. Once an app has this, it can see a lot more than you think. Bank alerts, private messages, login codes, even your 2 a.m. food delivery updates. Yeah, it's that deep. If it's a built-in system app, that's usually fine. But if an app doesn't need it, it shouldn't have it. Simple. Switch the rest off. Boom, another layer locked in. Almost nobody checks these. Now you just did. Comment part 2 right now. The next setting is even more hidden.